Hello everyone. In the previous episode, we discussed the business ideas blueprint, which governs structure, logic, and clarity. Today's episode is different. Today, we will talk about the art behind business ideas. Because business is not only logic, business is not only structure, business is also perception, creativity, and connection. The art of business ideas is about seeing what others overlook. It is about connecting dots, what others ignore. It is about thinking differently while staying grounded in reality. This episode will sharpen your thinking at a deeper level. Welcome back to SSverse, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning, and smart living. My name is Shahbaz Sultani. Let's enjoy the show. Session 1. Business is both science and art. Business has two sides. The science side includes numbers, systems, process, structure. The art side includes observation, creativity, timing, human understanding. People who focus only on logic become rigid. People who focus only on creativity become unrealistic. Empires are built by balancing both. Session 2. The art of seeing what others ignore. Most people see the same world. Very few people see it differently. The art of business begins with perception. Instead of asking what is happening, ask why is this happening. When you ask deeper questions, hidden opportunities reveals themselves. Session 3. Connecting unrelated things. Creative business ideas often come from connecting unrelated concepts. This is a powerful skill. For example, combining convenience with trust, combining speed with quality, combining technology with simplicity. Great ideas are often combination, not innovations. The art lies in recognition meaningful connections. The art lies in recognizing meaningful connections. Session 4. Thinking from the customer's mind. Most people think from their own perspective. Business thinkers think from the customer's mind. Ask what does the customer fear? What frustrates them? What do they want to avoid? What do they secretly desire? Understanding emotions creates powerful ideas. Logic sells products. Emotion builds brands. Session 5. Simplicity is a form of art. The best ideas feel obvious after they succeed. That is because simplicity is invisible until mastered. Complex ideas impress creators. Simple ideas attract customers. The art of business is removing unnecessary complexity. Simplicity creates trust. Session 6. The art of improvement, not innovation. Many people believe they must invent something new. That belief blocks action. Most successful ideas are improvements, not innovations. Improving speed, experience, quality, access, reliability. Small improvements can create massive results. The art is knowing what to improve. Session 7. Copying intelligently. There is an art to copying. Blind copying creates failure. Intelligent copying creates opportunity. Intelligent copying means understanding why something works, adapting it to a new context, adding your own strength. Every empire has learned from another empire. Session 8. Timing as an art form. A good idea at the wrong time fails. A simple idea at the right time wins. Timing depends on market readiness, customer awareness, behavioral shifts, cultural change. The art is not rushing. The art is waiting with awareness. Session 9. The role of intuition in business. Not everything can be measured. Experience creates intuition. Intuition is not guessing. Intuition is pattern recognition built over time. Logic thinking gives direction. Intuition gives signals. Successful builders learn to respect both. Session 10. Creative constraints. Creativity works best within limits. Limited money, limited time, limited resources. Constraints force innovation. When resources are unlimited, thinking becomes lazy. The art of business ideas often appears under pressure. Session 11. Storytelling as a business tool. Every strong idea has a story. People connect with stories, not features. Ask why does this business exist? Who does it help? What problem does it fight? Stories give ideas emotional power. Session 12. Avoiding over creativity. Creativity without discipline comes chaos. Too many ideas create confusion. Too many innovation creates instability. The art is knowing when to stop improving and start executing. Balance creativity with focus. Session 13. Training your creative business mind. Creativity is not talent. It is a habit. Train it by observing daily life, reading boldly, reflecting quickly, asking thoughtful questions. The more you observe, the more ideas emerge. Session 14. Why many creative people fail in business. Creativity alone does not build empires. Without structure, ideas remain unfinished. Execution remains weak. Confidence collapses. Creative power must be guided by discipline. Art needs structure to survive. Session 15. The hidden art of patience. Patience is an individual skill. Most people abandon ideas too early. The art of business is staying committed when results are slow. Empires are built quickly before they are noticed loudly. Session 16. Building taste and judgment. Good ideas come from good judgment. Judgment develops from experience, reflection, mistakes, learning. Taste is knowing what not to do. This is a powerful art. Session 17. Final message. The art behind every empire. Every empire has structure to survive, creativity to grow, discipline to last. The art of business ideas is learning how to think beyond the obvious while staying grounded in reality. This was episode 4 of Idea to Empire, the art of business ideas. In the next episode, we will move from thinking to results and discuss idea to income. If this episode helped you think more creatively and clearly, like this video, subscribe to SSWords and comment I am learning the art of business thinking. This is Shahbaz Sultani. The journeys continue. I'll see you in the next one.